In this guide, you'll learn how to use NX Charts, the professional charting platform on FXNX. Let's get started. Tap the FXNX tab at the bottom, then find and tap NX Charts. The chart loads with gold by default. Use the top toolbar to change the symbol, time frame, or chart type. Drawing tools like trend lines and Fibonacci are in the left sidebar. Tap the symbol name to search and switch between instruments: Forex, metals, crypto, indices, and more. Tap the Indicators button to browse over 100 technical indicators. Search for specific ones or browse by category. And that's it. You've completed all the steps. If you need any help, reach out via live chat on portal.fxnx.com. Happy trading!